Hello everyone! Today's video presents an original knitting pattern with unusual vertical paths and an exciting structure. The knit is from my Cheviot series and is a distant relative of this one. Information about which you will find at this link. The garment knitted with it will be elastic enough to be comfortable to wear and tight enough not to loosen. The pattern consists of 4 loops and only 2 rows. We start on the wrong side. Row 1 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit the divider loop. Next are the 3 loops of the path. Purl the first, and make a yarn over loop from top to bottom. Pull up a loop 1 row below the second loop, and slip it without knitting. Make a yarn over loop from bottom to top, and purl the third loop. Again, knit 1, purl 1, and make a yarn over loop from top to bottom. Pull up a loop 1 row below, and slip 1, make a yarn over loop from bottom to top, and purl 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. Row 2 is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1. Next are the 6 loops of the path. Knit 2 together through the front. Knit 2 together through the back. And knit 2 together through the back. Again, purl 1, knit 2 together through the front, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 2 together through the back. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. These vertical paths have a unique structure. They are knitted in only 2 rows and are suitable for summer and winter use. I highly recommend them. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.